What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. I want to show you how to prepare a classic Cantonese home-cooked food in this video, which is called chayote and dry shrimp stir-fried. My mother used to cook it, and she did it with Harry God in that era. But nowadays, it has slowly been replaced by chayote, the new kids on the block in Cantonese cuisine. This comforting dish has not been getting much attention from restaurants. Perhaps it is too basic to cook, as everyone can cook it at home. But unfortunately, it has become less popular nowadays after the old generation has no longer preparing it. So I want to make a video to rekindle the interest and remind those people who have forgotten this dish. Let's get into the details right now. Let's start by cleaning the chayote, then use a vegetable peeler to remove the skin. The surface of the chayote is undulating with deep grooves. Therefore, it can be difficult to remove all the skin. And you may leave part of the skin on it as it is edible. After removing the skin, the flesh that is exposed is slippery and slimy. You can wear a pair of gloves to handle it if you are concerned that it will irritate your skin. Cut the chayote into quarters and then remove the pith with a metal spoon. Slice it into half-centimeter thin slices, then cut into julienne. Cut a medium-sized carrot into julienne, about the same size of the chayote. Crush a few cloves of garlic and give them some rough chops. Soak the dry shrimp with water for about 15 minutes or longer. After the shrimp is rehydrated, wash it gently and discard the water. Some cooks will reserve the water to soak the dry shrimp as stock to cook the chayote. However, it is pretty murky and dirty with some shrimp shell fragments, so I discarded it. Give it a few rough chops or cut it smaller with scissors. Soak the glass noodles in a bowl of water until they soften, which takes about 15 minutes. Then drain. Cut the glass noodle with a pair of scissors if you find that they are too long. Stir-fried chayote with dry shrimp has an unusual Cantonese name, which is called 大姨媽嫁女. It means the daughter of the eldest auntie is getting married. However, the phrase utterly has no relation to the appearance and taste of this dish. I've asked a few elderly people and searched for the answer extensively on the internet, but to no avail. There are a few suggestions, but these are unreliable sources, and some seems like make-up stories. I would appreciate if you could leave the answer in the comments if you know the answer. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a wok. When heated, add the coarsely chopped garlic. Then saute over low to medium heat until it turns aromatic and slightly brown. Add the dry shrimp and continue to saute until fragrant. Add the carrot, give it a few stirs and add some water to cook it for 2 minutes until the carrot starts to turn soft. Add the chayote. And with more water to simmer it for a few minutes. Then season the chayote with salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some ground white pepper. You can omit oyster sauce if you don't like it. I've also seen some recipes that include fish sauce, which is a welcome addition and suitable for these vegetables. Add the softened glass noodle to the chayote. Loosen the glass noodles with chopsticks as they will clump together. Then continue to simmer for another 3 minutes until the glass noodles have softened. I use relatively less water for cooking the chayote, which means there's only a little water left when the chayote has softened. Therefore, there's no need to add cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Finally, dish out and serve. That's how to cook this authentic Cantonese dish, stir-fried chayote with dry shrimp. I've included the recipe in the description right below this video for your convenience. And please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and click the like button if you like the video. Finally, don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. That's all for now. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Thanks for watching and bye for now.